Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Lyft detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by determining your monthly income. List all your sources of income, including your salary and side earnings. Next, identify your essential expenses. These include rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Calculate your average monthly transportation costs without using Lyft. This provides a baseline for your budgeting. Now, consider how often you use Lyft. Track your Lyft rides over the past few months. Look at your total spending on Lyft during this period. Set a realistic budget for your Lyft expenses. Consider how you can reduce your Lyft spending if necessary. Explore alternative transportation options, such as public transit or bike sharing. This can help you save on Lyft costs. Determine your financial goals. Do you want to save for a vacation, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Allocate a portion of your income to these goals. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your expenses. Record each Lyft ride and its cost. This will help you stay mindful of your spending habits. Review your budget weekly or monthly. Adjust your Lyft spending based on your financial situation. If your income changes, revisit your budget. Ensure it aligns with your current financial goals. Consider setting limits on Lyft rides. Decide on a maximum amount you're willing to spend each month. Lastly, evaluate your progress regularly. This will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.